You know what? I think I'm gonna leave it right like that. Right like that. You'll just have to look through there when I do around the soap dispenser and stuff. The soap dish, the soap dispenser. Okay. I could have my little knee pad in here, but hey, I don't. Let's see how I do that back and forth like that. I don't know if you can see that or not. I want to make sure you can see me dipping that. Okay. Just kind of pay attention how I'm dipping the sealer out of there. That way you can see how I'm not getting a whole lot of sealer on there at any one time. I get some off, but see, I can go back and forth like that, and then get it on there. Pick up some extra right in there and slide it on again. Right there where the grout line is, wiggle it a little bit, and it'll get right on in there. Okay. Put it upside down so it doesn't spill, so you can get it on there. I've got most of it here, so now I can kind of work this little area right there. And I probably have enough on there that I can get on my paintbrush, move it around. Okay. And if I didn't have the video camera on, would I do it any different way than how I'm showing you for this? No. It's the very same way. See there, I can do it that way and get more off the brush that had been saturated on there. I know I still got just the same amount on there that I do everywhere else. Okay. Well, we'll do the bottom. I'll do the bottom now. Let's just get it over with on this one. Okay, I haven't even hit the bottom yet. Get myself a little bit. Put it right there. Put it right here. Push down. Angle. Push, angle. See? Now I'm getting some off because I'm getting too much at the bottom. Okay. There we go. Now see, I don't want to go this way because it's hard for me to see down there. So on this one, I'm still gonna do it the same way because I can see better right down here as I'm doing it that way. I got it right there. Okay. But now, on this next tile, I can't do it that way, can I? How am I going to hit that bottom now? Well, I'm going to have to go down this way and look at it that way and then pull it that way. See, slide it down, do it that way. There we go. Wow. There. Put a little more on there. Everywhere else. There we go. I did it too fast. Got a little drip there. But like I say, when a couple days from now, I'll go through here and slide my hand all over everywhere on here, clean it off with razor blade, and it'll be good as new. No matter what I do, you're gonna get some on your tub. Not a whole lot if you're careful, but even if I didn't get any, some of this is going to drag down and build up on that bottom edge. Okay, it's just a given. So see how I dip it on there, flip it upside down, and then get it up there. It doesn't want to drip. If I just go up like that, I already saw some drip. If I go like that to put it on there, I'm going to have all kinds of drips all over the tub then. Not the worst thing that's going to happen. But you see, I don't have any craft paper, plastic, drop cloths, anything like that in the tub. Nothing. Because I'm being careful. Okay. Take it, slide it down, angle, push down, angle. How easy is that? Need a little bit right in there. Okay. There we go. Now I've got 4 more tiles to go, and I'm kind of back in this corner, but I kind of I'm doing it for a reason so that you can see how I'm going to cut in around. I'm going to work from back here this way, I guess. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do these. I'll just keep going. Okay. And this little thing here has got grout around it in some areas. Okay. I might as well hit that before I go any further. I think I hit that trim just barely. That thing. Okay, that one's still on there. I've got to remember where I've been, where I haven't been. Just kind of pay attention. Okay, now I gotta, yeah, that's right, I have not done this tile, right? Okay. And I've gotta be careful with this. I think the other time I did it, I was facing the other way. But hey, I'm gonna do it this way this time so you can see what I'm doing. And get all the way around here. Oh, see? Get it even, just get it even. You know? That's all you gotta do. Get it even. Yeah, see, I don't want any of that to drip now, do I? Then it's on my pants. I should have my painting pants on, but these are not necessary. These are gonna be my new painting pants here, probably. Because my other ones are all ripped up. Okay. I think I'm going to just finish this tile over here. Slide it down, and away you go. Slide it down at 45. You got to do it at a 45, because if you don't, you're going to get it on that other, your tub surface, see? That's why when you're using a paintbrush to cut in, you gotta pull it out at an angle. Most times, okay? This will give you a good understanding how to use your paintbrush when it comes time to painting, right? Yeah. This is my last tile I gotta do. I don't know how much of that you're gonna see, but you know, whatever angle you're at, make it work. Make it work. Okay. Okay. That's it. For the inside. Look at that. Woo! And that's my second coat inside the tub. And I hardly have any sealer left in there, and that's okay. You know, I don't have to keep filling up my pan any. Doesn't that look nice so far? So far of what I've done. Okay, granted, I still have to hit the grout line from the ceiling on down this edge, and I've got those two tiles. So then I have to cut in all this, paint that all the way down, right? And then I have to do this edge and those tiles. Okay, I'm going to do that next. All right, so if you want to watch that, stick around. But you see on the inside of there, that looks really good. No drip marks, no lines in it. That's going to dry just fine when it gets all done. The second coat, oh, that looks sharp. Okay, stick with me if you want to watch more. Okay, if you've been with me, I've been sealing these this tile, and now it's time for me to get up there and do this edge. It's important to hit that grout line. I'm going to slide this over. It's important to get the grout line right up against there. And so I'm just using my little 3-foot step ladder, and I got my paint tray on top of there like that. And I like this type of step ladder. See how wide the feet are, the foot pegs, and then it's got that Costco, C-O-S-C-O, and I use this for all kinds of stuff. It's perfect in the bathroom here to get up in there and stuff. I'm hoping you can see most of this. I'll try not to get in your way any more than I have to. I'm just using my cut-in paintbrush, and see, it doesn't look like it's much, does it? But believe it or not, this is working. When I cut in that edge, I'm only using half. I'm only using half of the bristles right up against that edge. And so I'll dip a little bit in there. And it's tricky because I got to reach all the way over there. On this first one, okay. See, I'm not using much of the paintbrush at all to hit that edge. Okay, not much at all. Just do the best you can. That's all you know. If you get a little bit on your paint, don't worry about it too much. See, I'm just taking the tip of that and using a little bit of the brush as I'm going right down there. The main thing is to get it on your first coat, and you'll be able to tell because your grout will darken up when you get your sealer on there. Okay. But I only need to do a little bit until I come back and do the rest of this in here. I just kind of shake the brush, you know, where I have to get it in there. You try it a couple times, you'll get good. You'll get good at it. Okay. Let's see if I can't get you situated slightly better right in here. I'll try to. Oh, let's just stop right there, and because once I do the top of this one, then I can get my step stool out of here, right? So I'll do this one first, I guess. then I can do the rest without this step stool in here. See, I'm just using just the tips. And kind of holding my mouth just right and the paintbrush just right and getting it right on that edge, see? Maybe you can see that better if I go from down there on up. Like that. And once you do it a couple times, you'll get the rhythm. You'll get the rhythm of it and what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Okay. This one here. See, I'm just taking those little bristles right there, making sure I get all my grout edges. Now I can kind of push it in there and just kind of wiggle that and stuff and get it right where I need to go. Shake it a little bit. There. Okay. Now I'll just get it down one more here. Okay. Get some of that excess off of there. I can come down that edge. It's got a little bit of the bristles on there, see? That's all. At the top. There. I'm gonna get this ladder out of here. We'll do the rest without that ladder there.